I had my English in school, and something changed in my life 2 years ago.
2 years ago. When you finished studying school, what do you want to do in your life? You decided it, or you right now don't know about it?
I know.
You know what is it?
I want to create my center about languages and to teach children to learn English and other languages out there.
How many languages do you?
Now I know only English,
Only.
but I want to know maybe China.
China. The second language will China.
Chinese.
Chinese.
Chinese. Yes, Chinese.
Right now you know some words in Chinese.
Some, yes.
How would be a lot?
I can only write.
Right?
Yes.
And how would be? You can write?
Yes, I know how will be fire, mountain. I don't know how will be love.
I know. In China, love will like that. I know how would be house in China. Yeah? Okay.
In Chinese, have a special detail. For example, they say mother as okay on English.
If I want to say mother, I just say mother, and Chinese will understand me.
No, they have two hieroglyphs in Chinese, mother and
People who burn me.
Mother and children, mother and child. For example, mother and child, two hieroglyphs, mother and child.
I see.
And this hieroglyph in Chinese, this is хорошо, or okay, or something else.
For example, this is mother, this is
Yes.
child.
Yes, and together, this is хорошо.
Хорошо. Deep meaning. I mean, okay. How it will be? Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Maybe no. Maybe
Mother?
like that.
No.
Okay.
No.
Look the same.
No.
Okay.
Yes, it will be.
Why China?
Why China? Because it's interesting. It's popular language, and also maybe I want to know Spanish because now I'm based in
Spanish. Yeah.
I can help you with Mama.
Okay.
You know this language too?
I used to learn Chinese for 5 years.
Come on.
Perfect.
And
Yes.
there are 2 hieroglyphs.
Yes.
With the same meaning. But you should use them two together
Okay.
to get Mama.
Okay.
It will okay.
Why do you learn English? Chinese?
I was young.
I was drunk. I was young. I walk in China's улица, China street, and someone teach me.
No, I used to live in Khabarovsk, which is near to China.
That's
Perfect.
And it's really fancy to know Chinese in Khabarovsk.
fancy.
Fancy.
What do you mean fancy? I know, but I don't remember.
Популярная модель.
Популярно.
Modern,
A lot of people who live in Khabarovsk speak in.
They don't speak, they just learn.
Understand.
Chinese. They just learn Chinese.
Can you say something?
Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Everybody can tell ni hao.
上海是中国最大的工业城市。
What was it?
This is Shanghai is the biggest
City on the road.
промышленный
Industrial.
city in China.
Okay.
Not bad air. I mean environment. Air. Not so good.
Here,
air.
Air is polluted, you mean? Polluted? Okay,
Yeah.
polluted.
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 What?
Polluted.
Polluted. Кто-то получит за это. Yeah?
Yes, you can't remember.
Nobody
If
polluted.
someone spoil air,
Yeah.
он получит за это. Polluted. Окей.
Do you
А you?
do you use way to learn English words?
Which way I use for learning words?
Yes, as I
I
said.
don't learning words. I just hear new words, and if I understand this word need to me, and I can't live without this word, I try to find construction when I will use. If this word it's synonym, I don't try to remember. Maybe if I will meet someone who every day told me this word, I will remember. But I don't try. Polluted, it's a spoil. That's why I
It's
don't
not
try.
really. No.
No?
No.
But if I don't know this word, I can explain. Spoil air.
Somehow yes, but it is two different words.
Bad air.
Yeah.
This meaning. That's why this word I will
not,
know
not just
in
but
5 years, maybe later. I don't need it. I have one brain, and I should use the base.
or maybe you can use whole capacity of your brain.
I mean, at first I should do what I should do in first. Сначала нужно делать то, что нужно делать сначала.
Yeah.
If I can speak English easily, why I should try to remember new words? I use my time for the base things. That's why when I started, I try to remember a lot of words. I create cards, and every day I spend a lot of time for this. And right now I don't do it. I think it's not a good way.
But the best thing is to communicate with those.
I don't understand.
I want to show you.
Okay, the best way is to communicate.
Yes,
with
the
those-
best way to
with
communicate.
With those who can speak English.
Yes, of course.
So instead of writing words, because it doesn't help you so much.
I can do it, but it's not necessary. Child, when
You mean communication is not necessary?
spending,
No, I mean it is not necessary to write down the words. The best is to talk.
yeah,
And to
because
listen.
you should ask yourself why you why you should speak. The first is speaking.
Yeah.
We should speak, and that's why we should do it.
I want to say you that I
If you
had-
want to write, you should understand how it write.
Yes. I hate English.
Hate.
Hate. Ненавидела. Hate English 9 years in my school, and after that I know about possible.
Not that.
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 Yes, of course.
I just started, but this word had my hair, and this is that. Why is that?
That. After that, I now knew possible how to speak in English.
Tell me.
Yes, I take with me this possible. I want to show you.
Oh.
It's patterns.
Oh my deal. Do you know this word? Deal. Deal. Укроп.
Yeah. Deal.
Everyone. Oh my god. Deal. Укроп. Oh my deal.
It's possible. You know simple construction. For example, do, does, and you have two columns. In the first column you can see Russian sentences. In the second you can see English. And you don't need to write them. You need also close the second column and to repeat these phrases. Maybe five.
I think I know what way I will use. I just close these and don't try to memorize transcription. I will just reading this and understanding like a native speaker without Russian.
Yes, but now this is possible help you to understand construction in English. For example, I didn't understand 12 terms in English, and after that I have
That.
after after that,
After that.
I have an order.
Order?
Order, порядок. I have
Order.
an order in my head. And it
After
was after this pattern.
this.
And only 1 week.
I
and
should come back in this when I finished.
You want to
Or
use
I present for...
Roma, I have these patterns in electronic вид.
Okay.
I can send you, or if you want, I
Okay.
can give you that.
Okay,
Yes.
thanks. But if you want, I can вернуть.
Come,
Take away?
return.
Or
Yes, you can.
bring it back?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
But I have only one part now, and also I have the second part in my home, and it's a simple
It's a
construction.
suggestion for
No.
second meeting.
Second meeting, okay. Yes, present simple and present process and
Okay.
Yes.
I don't care about present, perfect.
it's not so difficult. And it's very interesting, possible how to remember construction in English. So, do you want to know what is that?
Right now?
Yes.
You can tell me, yes.
How do you learn construction in
Right
English?
now? I just listen simple story. E.J. Hoach, maybe you heard about this. Simple funny story, for example, some woman went to some country, and after that, person who told this story asked what is her name, what did she do, and the story should be funny, should be strange, because our brain remembers strange stories, funny stories. And every day I listen these stories more times. For example, about emotions. Yeah.
Yes.
This part
This very effective.
Да. Now, 1 week. Yes. 1 week I listen one story,
Okay.
and after that I take a second story and listen the second story. Yeah.
It helps you to remember
Automatically. I don't try to translate words, understanding why I should use
Yes.
did, will. I just speak.
Yes.
I don't think about it. When I speak
very good.
Russian, I don't think about budu, will. I
Yes.
just say
I
that.
teach-
Shut out.
I teach children
Shoot out. I just shoot out. Yeah. I hear the question and shoot out immediately, without thinking. And I just came back from Warsaw. 10 days, Warsaw, Poland, capital of Poland, Warsaw, Warszawa,
okay.
Warsaw, like a Warsaw. And 10 days I spoke only English, and I think it's a good way.
Yes, perfect.
What are you doing? It's a long photo.
I'm working for government,
It's a,
you know.
it's a video. Oh, come on. If you will filming, I will speak simple things like hello, nice eating. What else? What about you? Tell us about what do you do in Moscow right now? When you shift from Khabarovsk to Moscow? Shift like a сместиться, переместиться. Like a move. Louder. You speak quietly. It's not good. You should speak louder without стеснений. Yeah. Speak louder.
Without being shy.
Don't be
Shy,
shy.
yes,
Don't be shy. Don't be shy about your mistakes, because everyone do mistakes. It's a normal thing. Even native speakers. Sorry.
After school, I entered the university in my city, and I always wanted to move to Moscow. I always wanted to live in a big city and to take
What do you want to say? Just continue. Loud and continue. You want something?
Possibilities.
Possibility. What is
to
it?
take another possibilities to
Possibility. Yeah. You want something, and that's why you do something.
Of course.
Use a simple construction. It helps you. It's a good way.
And after the second course, I decided to move to Moscow by transferring to university in Moscow. And I decided to transfer to Moscow State University, but I failed the entrance exam.
Fail.
Failed. After and 1 year after that, I tried my last chance, and I transferred to Higher School of Economics.
Another university. Another university. Okay.
Where I finished my bachelor degree in computer science.
What does it mean?
Bachelor,
Bachelor. What is it?
bachelor.
Baccalaureate. Oh, I see.
I'm sorry to interrupt. How many years is the baccalaureate here?
It's
5?
4 years.
4 years. In medicine, 6 years.
Yeah.
How long you studied your
Medicine.
Medicine.
I'm in student, so or we can maybe listen to you first. About
okay. I interesting at all.
It's okay, it's just a dialogue.
Yeah. It's the people who watch this and just moving mouse, moving camera for you and for you.
Okay. Instead of the system is
In Sweden,
in Sweden.
yeah, use emotion. You just
I'm not emotional. Come on.
you should be.
Sometimes I am much.
Okay.
It is a different system in Sweden, and first you started like 3 years. You started to be the nurse, and then you started 1 year more to be doctor. But you are like I don't know in Russian. It is like intern or
Intern, yes.
Intern.
Yes. So it is 4 years to be this intern. The doctor, and then started 2 years more to be specialist. So it is 6 years, but you can decide how many you want to study. And I was studying 3 years, and I understood that medicine is the
I have a question.
like it is not.
You decided it after when you started watching my video.
Yeah, actually,
I know it. Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, I changed my views about many things, and I decided no, I don't want to throw away.
Which exactly doctor you should be? I mean, stomatolog, therapist,
No,
dentist.
you can decide. You know, when I was studying,
You didn't decide.
No, I wanted to be the how it's called, the doctor who is taking the birth when the baby born.
Yes, I understood,
Okay.
but I don't know. It's interesting.
I don't know how it's called in Russia.
Baby shaker.
Baby remover.
Taker.
Baby taker, yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
So I wanted to be this one, but I finished after 3 years, so I'm just nurse. So it was like 3 years, and then I started to study economy.
Economy.
Yeah, because of my work.
Obstetrician.
Obstetrician.
Accoucheur.
Situation, okay.
Obstetrician. We should split this word for understanding. I mean, obster. What is it? Obster.
Lobster, for example.
No, not meaning. Really. What to translate? Obster. We should change. I mean. How I can?
What do you want?
I wanna split this word. How I can?
I don't know. Maybe
It's
it's
your
not.
fault.
Maybe it's not
But
possible.
can you just put the word obster and check if there is any translation
Okay,
for
obster. Obster. No?
No.
Obster.
No.
No?
It came from Latin language, like it meant something.
Наблюдение. Concentration. Okay. Woman who works with child. With
Observation.
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 Observation. Наблюдатель. Seer. Looker.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now you economist like
No,
all people
I'm
in
not.
Russia.
No, I'm not economist.
No?
I'm working for
You broke
government.
with this too?
Yeah, yeah.
Because you start to watch my video about money. No?
No, not really, but I was studying economy because of a job.
Started. Economy.
Started.
Не спеши.
Хорошо.
No, English. Не спеши. How we should say it?
Don't be
in a
fast.
hurry.
Don't hurry.
Don't hurry. Yeah.
Okay.
You cool down.
We have a time.
Yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm.
I started to study economy because of my job, because I had one little company and I didn't want to have somebody who take care of my economy. I just wanted to understand everything by my own. So that's why I started to study this. But then I decided that it is maybe at that time was better to me to have the job in the government because I had some subject.
In government, what exactly you do?
It is I'm working with immigrants and
Oh, for example, you can make me visa.
no,
Yeah?
I'm not making
No?
visa.
Why?
I'm working with those people who already have visa. So I help
okay.
to them to get papers in Sweden. So as soon as you get visa, so I can help you to fix other papers.
Okay.
And,
If I have visa right now for euro, you can help me. Вид на жительство.
permission to stay.
Permission to stay.
Yes.
You can do it.
No, not permission to stay. When you already get permission to stay, I can help you to organize your life there. I mean, to continue stay.
Ah,
To fix the
I
job.
don't understand.
Продление на...
It is maybe I'm not so good to explain, but
No. It's okay. And you should use the simple construction. Yeah.
I use construction.
More simple. I just started.
Somebody else don't understand.
Do you understand? I literally understand nothing. Sorry, be simple. We wanna live in Sweden. Tell me what we should do for this.
Do you know? Or you cannot help us?
I know it
Can you
needs to-
find wife for
I
me,
told to you.
job for me?
Job, I can find job too because
Yeah.
I'm working with immigrants and that's why I help them to get job to stay in Sweden.
I think it's a good way. Can I be a blogger in Sweden? I mean legally. For example, I work as a blogger and I pay tax for my because I work like a blogger. Can I register me like a blogger in Sweden? I'm blogger.
Yeah, I understand this, but I don't know
I
how it
can
works.
sit somewhere and make a video. It's profession. Can I be a blogger in Sweden and have documents?
Special for your contact.
You should check it.
I can check it. In your organization, because when
Sorry, I don't understand. If
if you want to be blogger, you should anyway register yourself as their
like create
organization.
my ООО, ПП, my company.
Yes.
I should create my company.
Yes, and you can establish this company in Sweden. So, and when you pay taxes, when you can show that you get money for this, and I think that you should have at least 8,000 crowns
In
month.
dollars, how much?
$dollars. In Russian rubles, it is like it's not much. It is like 60,000 rubles.
60,000. 1 month?
Yes,
Like a half of million in a month?
60.
60. Ah, I have it. Right now, my YouTube channel gave me.
Yeah, but you should register organization in Sweden. And to register it, you need first to get permission to stay.
Acclamation.
Permission.
Permission. Ah.
Yes. and to get permission to stay. It is like the circle when you, I don't know, you should
For walking in country, for walking, I should have experience. But I can't walking without experience. But for experience, I should walking, and that's why I can walking because it's.
I don't have any experience.
I should pay someone for this donation.
Yeah, but no, I think that if you want, you can check.
Okay. You will really help me because I never been this place, but many friends told me about this country.
It is really amazing country to live.
Yeah, that's why you should help me.
Do
I
you
will
live-
tell you.
Do you live in Sweden? Do you live in Sweden?
Yes, I live in
What about you?
I'm Barton,
Yeah.
and I am 19 years old.
Yeah.
Originally, I was born in Yalta. This is city in Crimea.
Mm-hmm.
I came to Moscow about half year ago
For what?
for kind
Study.
of try and get out of comfort zone.
Ah, I see.
I'm not studying. I finished school last year, and I took a decision to
What is it?
принял решение.
You
I
decided.
decided
You decided?
It's more simple.
decided to develop myself,
Develop.
yeah,
Grow up.
grow up myself the way I feel and learn the things I want to learn.
What you
So-
do right now in Moscow? Just looking something interesting for you and.
I'm working as a shop assistant now, but the main thing
Main.
the main thing I think I am is musician. I am songwriter.
Writer. Songwriter.
Yeah.
Ah, you play guitar, for example. Yeah.
Guitar, a bit piano, and singing.
Do you have a group? People
I'm
who play with you?
planning to start a band. Yeah,
Yeah. You have a song.
I'm
We can
writing now.
Ah, okay. It's a good way when you work in someplace just for money,
Yeah.
and you have a lot of time because when you work in somewhere you don't spend a lot of time. You have a free time for творчество
art.
for yourself,
Yeah,
for things which you really need.
yeah.
Creative ideas.
Okay, and now you understand the English. It's a glue. It's a base
Yeah,
for fast growing.
yeah. I wanna write.